Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our session on arc flash and electrical risk training. I'm excited to have you here today. Today's presentation is brought to you by Elion Technologies and Consulting PVT Limited, and it's all about enhancing safety and awareness in electrical environments. We'll be discussing key safety practices, risk prevention, and how to protect yourself and your colleagues from electrical hazards. Over the next few minutes, we'll cover important topics that can make a real difference in your safety at work. So, let's get started and make this session both informative and engaging. Welcome to Chapter 1, The High Stakes of Industrial Safety. Here, we're going to explore why safety in industrial environments is so critical. As we move through this chapter, I want you to keep in mind that safety isn't just about compliance. It directly impacts lives, productivity, and the overall success of any operation. Throughout this presentation, you'll see how neglecting safety can lead to serious consequences, injuries, downtime, or even worse. That's why understanding the high stakes involved is essential for creating a safe and efficient workplace. Feel free to note down any questions or insights as we go along. Now, let's dive into what makes industrial safety such a vital topic. And remember, our goal is to foster a culture where safety is always a top priority. Every year, thousands of electrical accidents occur, and many of these could actually be prevented. These incidents lead to billions of dollars in losses, not to mention the serious safety risks involved. Arc flash incidents and electrical failures can cause devastating financial damage and put lives at risk across various industries worldwide. Regulatory bodies have recognized the importance of safety and mandate comprehensive electrical hazard analysis along with strict risk management protocols. It's crucial that organizations follow these guidelines to ensure safety. Prevention is not just possible, it's essential. Most electrical accidents are actually preventable with the right training, proper equipment, and adherence to safety procedures. Remember, safety isn't just about compliance, it's about protecting lives and assets. For more information, you can visit our website or contact us directly. Let's take a moment to understand why electrical risk management truly matters. First, it's all about protecting lives and assets. By effectively managing electrical hazards, we safeguard not only the people working around electricity, but also critical infrastructure and company resources. It's about creating a safe environment where everyone can work confidently. Next, compliance is key. Meeting standards like NFPA 70E, OSHA, and international guidelines isn't just about avoiding penalties. It's about ensuring that we're following best practices to keep everyone safe and our organization legally protected. And finally, maintaining operations is crucial. Proper electrical risk management helps prevent unexpected downtime, ensuring your business continues smoothly. It also preserves your organization's reputation by demonstrating a commitment to safety and reliability. All these points tie back to the overall goal: building a safer, compliant, and resilient organization. Welcome to Chapter 2, Understanding Arc Flash, the Hidden Danger. Today, we're going to explore a topic that's often overlooked, but can have serious consequences if not properly understood. Arc flash is a dangerous electrical event that can cause severe injuries or even fatalities. It's called a hidden danger because it might not be immediately visible or predictable, but its impact can be devastating. Throughout this chapter, we'll look into what exactly an arc flash is, how it happens, and why it's crucial to understand it thoroughly. Knowing this helps us stay safe and take the right precautions when working with or around electrical systems. Remember, safety starts with awareness, and understanding these hidden dangers is a vital step. Feel free to reach out to us at Elion Co. in or via email at alert@elion Co. in, or call us at 8,852,085,208 or 9,103,890,526 for more information or assistance. Let's get started and make safety our top priority. So what exactly is an arc flash? Well, An arc flash is a very dangerous electrical explosion that happens when there's a fault or a short circuit in the system. It releases a tremendous amount of energy, which you can think of as superheated heat, blinding light, and powerful pressure waves. These can cause severe burns, serious injuries, or even be fatal. Now, in terms of how common these incidents are, the reality is quite alarming. Arc flash incidents happen across many industries, whether it's manufacturing plants, commercial buildings, or any place with energized electrical equipment. No matter where you work, if there's electrical systems running, there's a risk. To put it into perspective, in the United States alone, there are about 35,000 injuries every year caused by arc flash incidents. That's a staggering number, highlighting just how widespread and dangerous this hazard really is. And sadly, the risk isn't just about injuries. There are also fatalities. On average, about 5 to 10 lives are lost each day due to electrical hazards like arc flashes. Connecting this to our overall theme, it really underscores why understanding arc flash and taking preventive measures is so critical. These incidents are more common than we might think, and their potential for harm is significant. So, staying informed and prepared is key to safety. Let's walk through how the arc flash risk assessment works. First, we start with system data collection. This means gathering all the necessary information about the electrical system, like voltage levels, equipment ratings, and details about protective devices. Having accurate data is crucial because it sets the foundation for the entire assessment. Next comes hazard analysis. Using this data, we calculate incident energy levels and determine the arc flash boundaries. We rely on established standards like IEEE 1584 and advanced modeling software to ensure our calculations are precise. This step helps us understand the potential severity of an arc flash incident. Then, we move to PPE determination. Based on the hazard analysis, we identify the appropriate personal protective equipment categories for each location. This ensures workers wear the right gear to stay safe and establish safe work practices tailored to each specific environment. Finally, we focus on labeling and documentation. We create compliant arc flash labels for all electrical equipment, which clearly communicate hazards and PPE requirements. We also prepare detailed safety documentation to support ongoing safety measures. Together, these steps form a comprehensive approach to managing arc flash risks, helping us protect personnel while maintaining operational efficiency. Let's take a closer look at the benefits of arc flash training with Elion technologies. First, we have our expert instructors. These are certified electrical safety professionals who bring decades of real-world experience in high-risk industrial environments. Their expertise ensures you're learning from the best and gaining practical insights that you can apply directly on the job. Next, we focus on hands-on learning. Our training isn't just theory, it's interactive. You'll engage with case studies, real incident scenarios, and practical exercises. This approach helps reinforce critical safety concepts, making sure you're prepared to handle real-world situations confidently and safely. Finally, there's the industry certification you earn through our program. We boast an 85% plus pass rate, which speaks to the quality and effectiveness of our training. Obtaining these recognized credentials can significantly enhance your professional safety qualifications and open doors for career advancement. Overall, these benefits align with our goal of providing comprehensive, practical, and recognized safety training, so you're equipped to protect yourself and others in high-risk environments. Let's take a closer look at Chapter 3, NFPA 70E, the safety standard. This chapter is fundamental because it sets the guidelines and best practices for electrical safety in the workplace. It's designed to protect workers from electrical hazards, such as shock, arc flash, and arc blast. One of the most important concepts here is understanding the importance of risk assessments and proper safety procedures before beginning any electrical work. NFPA 70E emphasizes the need for establishing an electrically safe work condition whenever possible, which is a key step in preventing accidents. It also provides detailed requirements for personal protective equipment, or PPE, which plays a critical role when working on energized equipment. Additionally, this chapter highlights the importance of training and awareness. Ensuring that everyone involved understands the hazards and knows how to work safely is essential for creating a safety-conscious environment. Overall, Chapter 3 ties directly into our broader goal of promoting a safety-first culture and ensuring that electrical work is performed in the safest way possible. It's about reducing risks and protecting lives through standardized safety practices. So, what exactly is NFPA 70E? Well, it's the standard for electrical safety in the workplace. It sets out comprehensive requirements to help ensure that everyone working with or around electricity stays safe. These guidelines cover safe work practices designed to protect employees from shocks, arc flashes, and other electrical hazards that can cause serious injury or even death. One key aspect of NFPA 70E is the risk assessment procedures. These are systematic methods we use to evaluate potential electrical hazards before starting any work. It's about being proactive, identifying risks early so we can plan accordingly and prevent accidents. Another critical element is the safety program requirements. These provide the guidelines for establishing and maintaining effective electrical safety programs within your organization. It's about creating a culture of safety where everyone knows their responsibilities and follows best practices consistently. And then there's the PPE selection criteria. This part provides detailed specifications for choosing the right protective equipment. Selecting the proper PPE is vital. It's often your last line of defense against electrical injuries. Overall, NFPA 70E is about creating a structured approach to electrical safety, integrating risk assessments, safety programs, and proper protective gear. It's essential for protecting our team and ensuring we work safely and confidently around electricity. Let's take a closer look at some key highlights from the NFPA 70E training. First, Energized work permits are crucial. They ensure that everyone understands and follows the proper documentation and approval processes before working on live electrical systems. This helps us manage risks effectively and maintain safety standards. Next, we have shock protection boundaries. It's essential to understand the different approach boundaries, limited, restricted, and prohibited, based on voltage levels. Recognizing these boundaries keeps us at a safe distance from energized parts and minimizes the risk of shock. Finally, lockout/tagout procedures are fundamental to our safety protocols. Implementing strong energy control programs ensures that equipment stays de-energized during maintenance or repair, preventing unexpected energization that could cause injuries. All these points tie back to our overall goal: working safely around electrical systems by following proper procedures, respecting boundaries, and controlling energy sources effectively. Now, let's explore why it's so important to combine an arc flash assessment with NFPA 70E first. An arc flash assessment is essential because it helps us identify and quantify the specific electrical hazards present in our facility. This step is crucial for understanding the risks our team faces daily. Next, NFPA 70E provides the framework and procedures needed to manage those hazards effectively. It guides us through the best practices for safety and compliance, ensuring we handle electrical risks responsibly. When we bring these two together, we create a complete protection system. This integrated approach not only safeguards our workforce, but also helps us stay compliant with regulatory standards. Ultimately, by combining these efforts, we develop a comprehensive electrical safety management system, one that is thorough, proactive, and effective in protecting both our people and our operations. Welcome to Chapter 4, Elion Technologies, your safety partner. In this chapter, we'll explore how Elion Technologies plays a crucial role in ensuring your safety. We'll look at the innovative solutions we offer and how they integrate into your daily operations to create a safer environment. Our focus is on building trust and demonstrating our commitment to your well-being. Throughout this chapter, you'll see how our technology and expertise work together to support your safety goals. This ties into the overall theme of our presentation, highlighting the importance of reliable, cutting-edge safety measures in today's industry. So, let's dive into how Elion Technologies is dedicated to being your trusted safety partner at every step. Welcome to Slide 14, where I'd like to give you a brief overview of Elion Technologies and Consulting PVT Limited. We were established back in 2010 with a clear mission to transform industrial safety through expert training and consulting services. Over the years, we've delivered more than 50 training sessions, focusing on arc flash and electrical safety programs that have consistently received exceptional satisfaction ratings from our clients. We are recognized as industry leaders, especially in electrical safety training and risk assessment consulting. Our core expertise includes electrical safety training and certification, conducting detailed arc flash risk assessment studies, and providing compliance consulting for standards like NFPA 70E. Additionally, we develop customized safety programs tailored specifically to our clients' needs. All of these efforts are aligned with our overall goal: to enhance safety protocols and ensure that workers are protected in the electrical environment. Our focus is on delivering practical, expert-driven solutions that make a real difference in industrial safety. Let's take a closer look at the comprehensive training features we offer. First, we have a 3-day intensive program. This course is quite thorough, covering everything from the fundamental theory of arc flash and NFPA 70E standards to detailed calculations and practical applications you can use on the job. It's designed to give your team a solid, well-rounded understanding in a short amount of time. Next, we understand that flexibility is key. That's why we offer various delivery options. Whether your team prefers online virtual sessions, on-site training at your facility, or a hybrid approach combining both, we can accommodate those needs. This ensures that training fits seamlessly into your schedule and operational constraints. Finally, our support doesn't end when the training does. We provide ongoing access to expert consultants who can answer questions after the course, assist with implementation, and help maintain your program over the long term. This continuous support is crucial for ensuring that the training translates into real safety improvements and compliance. Together, these features are designed to make sure your team is well-trained, adaptable, and supported every step of the way, perfectly aligning with our overall goal of enhancing safety and operational efficiency. Let's take a look at some real impact stories from our clients. Starting with manufacturing excellence, one notable example is a major chemical plant that implemented Elion's arc flash training program. As a result, they saw a 42% reduction in electrical incidents within the first year. This isn't just about numbers. It reflects a significant improvement in safety culture and employee awareness. The safety director there emphasized that the return on investment was immediate, and the transformation in safety practices has been truly remarkable. Moving on to other areas, we see a 35% improvement in compliance scores for an engineering firm, highlighting how our programs help clients meet regulatory standards more effectively. And across various facilities, we've achieved 100% success in passing inspections during audits. These stories underscore how tailored training and safety initiatives can deliver measurable, impactful results that align with our overall goal of creating safer, more compliant workplaces. Let's take a closer look at Chapter 5, Your Path to Electrical Safety Excellence. This chapter is all about guiding you on how to achieve and maintain high standards in electrical safety. We'll explore the key steps and best practices that can help you develop a strong safety culture and stay compliant with regulations. Remember, safety isn't just a one-time effort, it's an ongoing journey. By following these principles, you'll be able to prevent accidents, protect your team, and ensure your work environment is as safe as possible. This chapter ties together everything we've discussed so far and emphasizes that excellence in electrical safety is within your reach when you commit to continuous improvement and proactive measures. Now, let's talk about why investing in arc flash and electrical safety training is more important than ever. First, regulatory pressure is really ramping up worldwide. Enforcement of electrical safety standards is becoming more strict, and compliance isn't just recommended anymore, it's mandatory. Ignoring these requirements can lead to serious penalties and increased risk. Next, the complexity of modern electrical systems has grown significantly. Our infrastructure now demands expert analysis to identify potential hazards, because these hazards are evolving as systems get more sophisticated. Proper training ensures your team can handle this complexity safely and effectively. Finally, empowering your workforce is key. By providing comprehensive safety training, you equip your team to proactively prevent accidents, which not only protects your people, but also reduces downtime and operational disruptions. Creating a culture of safety isn't just a compliance issue, it's a strategic advantage that supports overall operational excellence. So, investing now in this training aligns with the broader goal of maintaining a safe, compliant, and efficient operation in today's demanding environment. Let's talk about how you can get started with Elion technologies. First, explore our programs by visiting Elion.co.in. There, you'll find a comprehensive list of training options, schedules, and detailed course content. It's a great way to get a clear picture of what we offer and find the right fit for your needs. Next, consider consulting our experts. Our training coordinators are always ready to discuss customized group sessions tailored specifically to your facility's unique requirements. This personalized approach ensures your team gets the most relevant and effective training possible. Finally, once you've chosen your program, it's time to schedule your training. You can select your preferred format and date, and then join industry safety leaders who are transforming their operations through our training. Remember, getting started is simple, and taking these initial steps can significantly enhance your safety standards and operational efficiency. Electrical safety is not just a regulatory requirement. It's a crucial element that can give your organization a real competitive edge. When you prioritize safety, you're not only protecting your people, but also demonstrating your commitment to operational excellence. Building expert capabilities means equipping your workforce with the skills and knowledge needed for arc flash analysis and electrical risk management. These are proven methods that make a tangible difference. Protecting what matters most, lives, critical assets, and your company's reputation, should be at the heart of your safety strategy. It's about safeguarding your team, preserving vital equipment, and showing environmental responsibility. The good news is, you don't have to wait to start this journey. Taking the first step today with Elion's expert training can set you on the path towards safer operations and peace of mind. Remember, at Elion Technologies and Consulting, we're your partner in achieving electrical safety excellence. So, why not begin now and turn safety into your competitive advantage?